Prevention of Blindness Week is an important event aimed at raising awareness about the causes and prevention of blindness. The week is usually marked by various activities, including health campaigns, public lectures, and free eye screenings. The Indian government recognizes the first week of April as Prevention of Blindness Week. To prevent blindness, it is important to promote good eye health practices. Here are some ways to protect your eyes and prevent blindness. Regular eye exams can help detect eye problems early and prevent vision loss because these days most of the people are suffering from chronic disease. It is recommended that adults have their eyes examined once a year, or as directed by their ophthalmologists or optometrists. Immunization against infectious diseases such as measles, rubella, and polio can prevent many cases of blindness that result from these diseases. Malnutrition can lead to blindness due to vitamin A deficiency, which is a common cause of blindness in children. The provision of vitamin A supplements and food fortification programs can prevent many cases of blindness. Exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can increase the risk of cataracts and other eye problems. Wear sunglasses with UV protection and a hat when you're outdoors. Smoking and drinking are the major risk factors for age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other eye diseases. Eye injuries can cause permanent vision loss or blindness. Simple preventive measures such as wearing protective eyewear during sports and work activities can prevent many cases of eye injuries. Health education and awareness campaigns can promote healthy behaviors such as regular eye checkups, proper nutrition, and prevention of eye injuries. By following these steps, you can protect your vision and prevent blindness. However, if you notice any changes in your vision or experience eye pain or discomfort, it's important to see an ophthalmologist or an optometrist as soon as possible.